So we've got a survey to learn about how the yearbook could be improved. If they want to distribute the survey to 100 students and get the most reliable data, what should they do? All right, which of these things? So we want to eliminate stuff that might have bias, and some of these are going to be stereotypes. All right, so we got to look out for that too. All right, so I'm going to look at number 3 first. It says every third student to enter the gym for a basketball game. I'm going to eliminate that one first because I'm thinking that those people might be biased towards sports and they might be telling me that the yearbook needs more sports in it. But that also is just because they might like sports, okay? Something like that. Okay, the next one that I can kind of look at and say, hey, this might be an issue is number 2. Every third student to enter the library. Now, this one's a little iffy because maybe I'm seeing people that go to the library a lot like to read a lot, and maybe they don't care about the yearbook, or maybe they just think there should be less sports because they don't like sports because they go to the library. I don't think that that's a really good argument, but it's definitely one that I could make. All right, and the library is where books are. All right, maybe it's just quieter people. Okay, something in there. All right, so that's between every third student sent to the office, every third student arriving at school. This number 1 is meant to try to get you to think about they're getting in trouble if they're going to the office. Okay, so maybe asking all the students that get in trouble is not the best way to get a random sampling of the population. Okay, and that's what I want. I want to make sure that I'm getting people from all different groups. I don't want no troublemakers to get asked, but I want to make sure I get at least some troublemakers and not some other troublemakers. And if I only look at people going to the office, I'm going to get only people that are in trouble, probably. Okay. Number 4 is going to be the most random because it's just every third student arriving in school in the morning. Okay, there's probably some arguments to be made. Oh, you only get to school early if you really love school a lot. Okay, maybe, but that is the least bias out of these things. Okay, the best system might be to just walk around the lunchroom and pick one person at each table at random. If I'm trying to think of the best way to do it. All right, but out of those 4, that 4th option is definitely the best one.